That's what we're going to get for another beehive using the Sani excavator SY26U. Let's see its lifting power. It's a smaller machine, it's only about 8,000 pounds, I think. Oh yeah, it's got the tilt. That's not too bad. Wow, look at this. This is going to be a stunner of a log hive. Get like probably 3 logs out of this, I think. No, maybe 2. Wow. So I do 4 feet cuts. And this is perfect. This is going to be about 12 inches when it's finished. See where the rot starts here and ends here? That's 12 inches.
Oh, nice.
All that in there. See, and this is all nice hardwood here.
So you can either, you can hollow it out more or...
And, you know, I could just, rather than even hollowing it out, I can just go a little bit longer. But 12 inch diameter cavity space all the way up inside is perfect. I mean, that one over there is about 12 inches. And it's just like...
You carved that one out with a saw, right?
I did, yeah. That's a beaut, that one, isn't it?
Yeah, they seem pretty darn... Well, they've already produced how many?
2 swarms that we know.
2 swarms off already, right?
Right.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Yeah, pretty neat thing. Pretty neat thing going on. Nice sharp blade.
A little bit dull.
Sharp.
Hey Tony, thank you mate.
Beauty.
Thank you, thank you. Great job, Sani. See you on the next log. I'm only going to go to New Hampshire just because I get to go bee hunting and put in a log hive, so it makes it worth it. And there's a guy out there who's a real hunter-gatherer that I've never met, but I've heard about him quite a bit. So we're going to hook up with him, and he's going to take me out to some remote areas to look for bees. He's never done it, so he's kind of fascinated apparently too. So hopefully we don't bump into F-15s.
Yeah.
Well, this looks good already. Yeah. This was actually, I've done no chainsaw work on this at all.
Really?
Well, apart from doing the cut.
Sure.
But that, look at that, it's all the way through pretty much.
Oh my god, it's steering itself. Delightful.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Will we make the corner?
We are the Marine Corps. Nice. Look at this.
To the military as I'm ever gonna get. Oh, look at that.
You did it.
Cleared it.
I'm having technical difficulties with the camera. I'll be right there to help you. Moving logs around and hiking for nests. That's a great workout. I'd have to pay any money for the gym.
Boy, I love these trees. I hate the pine cones.
Oh yeah.
That's a move-in ready condo, right?
Isn't it really, yeah? Here guys, look at this. 2 guys in love heart. Oh. Yeah.
It's a perfect fit. Look at that.
James is a Patreon supporter. Thank you, James.
Woo.
And we put this box in here and it's very active. What time is it in the morning? Is it like 9:30? It's 10 o'clock actually. So
10 o'clock, yeah.
So now we're going to either put a swarm in here next year, or maybe this box will swarm to that, or a swarm will move to the log. And then I'll remove this box if it actually survives through the winter. But they kind of beard out of this box in the nighttime, so they're doing pretty well. But here we have the log. We're going to put in two rebar, 4-foot rebars, 2 feet in the ground, 2 feet above, attached to the log, and then the top part of the log will be the entrance, and then we're going to put an entrance at halfway up the top there, because it seems like the bees like to build their brood in the middle of these cavities. But I've seen a lot of my bees use the top part of the log as entrance also. So I don't know if you've ever noticed in my wild bee trees, the nests seem to be right at the entrance where you'll see brood comb. All right, on to the next one.